Lynx Networks are an IT infrastructure provider. We cover everything from the wireless and the cabling through the file servers, switching and routing, and IT support.
Lynx Networks have been our main network data cabling provider since 2015. We rely on them to provide all our data cabling across all our UK sites.
We identified last year that we needed help and support with some of our IT. We're a startup company. Lynx have been very responsive to what we do, and they've helped us on a number of different projects.
Working with Lynx works very well. We have a very good relationship in terms of how we exchange information.
When we first visit a new customer, the key priority is to make sure we listen to what they want. Listen to and try and dig out the business problems that are behind what they want.
The reason I like working with Lynx and what makes them stand out is the fact that they do such a good, thorough job with the cabling. I know that if there's any issues, they'll come back and sort them out, but all the work is to a very high standard.
When the customer deals with Lynx, they tend to deal with the one person mostly who will look after them from start to finish.
Our project manager has been Richard Devereux. He has always been attentive and quick to respond to any queries or concerns we have raised. The service we receive from Richard I would class as second to none.
So the project manager that helped with the virtual machine project was really a joint effort between Mark Bird and Tim Probin. That worked extremely well. We knew exactly what was going on, how they intended to approach a particular stage, and there was a great deal of transparency.
So there's just a host of people that are all very positive, all very friendly to work with.
So the engineers are always really helpful, they're great to work with, they've got a good sense of humour, we have a laugh, and they get the job done.
At Lynx, we would never sell you anything we don't believe that you need. It's important to us that you have a solution that you're happy with in the end.
We don't aim to be the cheapest, we aim to be the most cost effective and give the best value. We do that by giving the right solution that doesn't cost too much, doesn't give stuff the customers don't need.
The solution that you get, we believe, technically and value-wise, is the best.
We always get what we want, delivered on time, and again, most importantly, the quality of the projects and the end results are always spot on.
I think there's two things that Lynx excels in compared with others. One is their ability to work together with the customer very well in terms of planning, execution. But the other thing that continues to impress us is the depth of expertise that they have within their engineers.
The practical solutions that they offered and not overselling stuff to us all made things stand out. We wanted somebody that could help us, and that's what we sensed from Lynx, and that's why we continue working with them.
We've been asked for multiple quotes across multiple suppliers, which is best practice, obviously, within any industry. I have said no, I want to use Lynx as my primary vendor, knowing that you're not the cheapest, but the work and the workmanship and the quality given by your engineers and your project staff is what's most important to me.
From a project perspective, it ticked all my boxes. Excellent kit, great service, the users never knew about it, a very good result for all round.
Lifelong relationships with our customers is what we're all about. And it's what makes us tick, it's what we enjoy.
I see myself working with Lynx for quite a long time in the future, primarily because they do such a good job and I know that I can rely on them to get the job done.
I'd highly recommend Lynx Network as a supplier to anybody. Over the past 5 years as our main supplier, I've never ever once looked to turn away from using somebody else.
If anyone was interested in working with Lynx, I would wholeheartedly recommend them.
I would highly recommend them. It's as simple as that.